So, hi everyone, this is Navdeep from Delhi Immigration Services. Today we have Ms. Rajpreet Kaur with us. She's got the Canada student visa in the very first attempt. And we'll just talk to her and see how her profile is and what she has done earlier, for which program, how she's feeling now after getting it. So, can you just talk us through your profile first, like your experience?
Hi, sir. How are you?
I'm doing great, ma'am. Thank you. How's you doing today?
I'm doing great, sir. Well, I have done BCom from University of Patna, and in first class degree, and
That's great.
I have passed my graduation in year 2017. And after that, I started working with a Japanese multinational company, and till now I am working.
That's great. And for when did you decide about like going for the student visa thing, and when did you decide about studying in Canada?
Uh, well, when I was hello.
Yeah, I can hear you, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
you're on.
Well, when I worked for around 2.5 years, I realized that with a graduate degree, I can't do much in my career field. That time I decided to prepare for IELTS to obtain higher job positions or to work in top companies. So in last year, 2020 March, I
Yeah,
started preparing for IELTS and cleared my IELTS in August. In the very first
yeah,
attempt, I got
yeah,
the desired result. So that's the thing.
yeah, yeah. So how did you hear about us, and for which program have you applied?
Okay. Well, my brother-in-law is also in Canada. He is
Yeah,
in student visa, and
yeah, yeah,
you only have helped him to get the visa, sir.
yeah,
So he told me that you can trust Navdeep sir blindly to file the visa, and that
yeah.
what I did. I trusted you, sir, and uh, you helped me to file the visa, and I got my result in 20 days. I got my visa. Thanks to you, sir.
Yeah. Thanks to God, anyways. Yeah. So yeah. So when you found this message like in inbox, like there's an update. So what exactly did you do at that time? Like
Well, sir,
did you
right
react?
now you know what is the situation due to current pandemic. It
Yeah.
was unbelievable for me. I was sitting in my couch at 10 a.m. in the morning and I
Yeah.
received two mail. But the thing was that the GC key portal was down.
Down. Down.
Means the server was down and was
Yeah.
I was not able to open the server. That
Yeah.
around
At least for 4 5 hours,
after
I
two
guess.
hours I
2 hours.
finally get to, yeah, that time was very scary for me because I was thinking what update I have uh, got from them. But after when I see the portal, I came to know that first thing that come into my view was submit the original passport copy. I was wondering why they are asking for my because it was a complete new thing. Then I go to my brother-in-law. I asked him that they are asking for my original passport copy. Then my sister and they and brother-in-law shouted that, "Dear, you have got your visa. That is why they are asking for your original passport thing." I said,
Yeah.
really? Because, sir, it was very unbelievable because 20 days in this time when the
Yeah.
coronavirus and all thing.
Yeah.
So I told my mother, I texted you, I mailed you, sir, please help me to proceed further.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
can't express the thing. Firstly, it was unbelievable thing. And secondly, I was in cloud nine ki ab ho gaya. Let's go.
That's great, man. I'm so happy for you. Your smile actually says it all that you're very, very happy. And yes, you trusted blindly. I could see that. And
Yeah.
thank you so much for that belief. And yeah, so I'm very happy that you got it. Now you have a great life ahead.
Thank
And
you so much,
you,
sir.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So you and actually the other family members also will be joining you in Canada. So you guys will be having a great life there. So I wish you great luck once again.
Thank
And
you, sir.
what piece of advice would you like to give to the other students who are maybe, maybe suffering with refusals?
Yeah.
How would you like to probably, give them or maybe
Well,
help them? Yeah.
first thing I want to say that don't lose hope. Keep trying. Luckily, I haven't faced this thing. Uh, it was my first time, and I got my visa in 20 days. All I
Yeah.
can say that please don't lose hope and keep trying.
Yeah.
आपका visa आ जाएगा. The visa
Yeah,
will
because
come.
you said your brother-in-law, so you have
Yes.
closely seen, how,
Yes.
refusals
Yes.
happen and everything. So,
Yes, yes. Sir. After my brother-in-law came back from US, uh, he got refused. I think 2 times. That time you helped him a lot to get his visa.
yeah,
And when I was in a stage when I was prepared to file a visa or I was fully planned that I will go to Canada. That time he
yeah,
told me that please don't go
yeah,
anywhere. Go to
yeah,
Navdeep sir. Just
yeah,
go to him. And sir, what that is what I did. I just came to you and उसको मैं भूल गई सब. I forgot
yeah,
everything. I handed
yeah,
everything to you that whatever Navdeep sir will tell me, I will do that
yeah.
thing only.
I appreciate that. And how's your mother's reaction? Is she happy now? Like, I think everyone will
She
be
was
really, really.
she was crying, saying, "Okay, then you will go. You will go." I'm like, "Mommy, please be happy." Yes. How will you
Yeah,
manage to go in a? Uh,
yeah,
yes, that was the reaction, sir.
yeah,
But
yeah.
yes,
Anyway, I wish you great luck, and it's a great life ahead, for you in Canada. So, enjoy and enjoy this moment, and wish you great luck. Thank you so much for coming here and talking to me. I wish you
mm,
great luck, and for the next steps, we'll be in touch, and I'll be guiding you and everything.
yes, yes.
And yeah, so is there anything you would like to add before we end this?
Uh, no, sir. Thank you so much, and we will
I
further connect. I think
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
have a lot of things when I reach my uh, destination country, Canada.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah.
For
We will be
sure.
in touch, sir.
Thank you so much. Pleasure,
Okay.
pleasure talking to you.
Thank you
Thank you.
so much,
Have a
sir.
nice.